What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. It's golden hour here in South Africa. The sun is starting to come down. Am I looking golden? Stay golden, pony boy. So we're going to go over Gala games. We're sitting at 0.0669. Wow, good thing that wasn't the 666, the evil number. We're up one. Uh-oh, I better get off this before it changes to 666. We're up 1.14 on the day. Seeing market cap 2.04 billion. 24-hour volume 193 million. So we hit the minimum target for the pullback. We have the nice little wave 4, so you have a 5-way move off the low. Now we could push up from here. It's very possible. However, we may create one more lower low first into the target zone before bouncing back to the upside, but I do think it's likely we don't come all the way back down and break this low, and we see continuation up from here to 0.09183 and 0.10288. Let me plug the signals real quick. We're winning every single day. Look at this: GLM, TP4, AVEX, TP2, GLM again. Where are other trades? Ajax, TP3, C98. We did have one loss. There's 80% ICX right here, APT 49. That's been our only loss this week. The rest of these are just wins. Trade signals every single day, guys. For crypto as well as forex, and you can gain free access at the end of the video. So that's what I think is likely. Push up from here, as I mentioned, weekly bullish cross, very strong signal, basically just coming back to retest. If I show you, it's better to see on the daily here, coming back to retest this support zone in between. See all the support in this area? That's where we came back in between the 4 to 5 cent, 4 to 6 cent range, and we saw a nice bounce. We hold the weekly 20 EMA, so I think eventually we break out of this bull pennant and see continuation to the upside. That's it. Just a quick update for Gala. If you want completely free access to my trade signals for crypto and forex, all you have to do is sign up to MEXC. This is where I do my trading. Very low fees, guys. You will need a VPN in the US. And if you don't want to use a VPN, sign up to Bitfinex. They have less trading pairs, but also a very good exchange. You get 10% back on your fees. Sign up through my links top of the comments. Once you make your first deposit, all you have to do is send me an email, and you get completely free access to my trade signals. We have many members, almost 3,000 now. Daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, forex signals, which I'm giving every day as well. So you can trade crypto and forex all in one place completely for free. Just want to help you reach financial freedom. However, I do receive a commission off your trading fees once you sign up to one of the exchanges. If you don't want to sign up to either exchange, you can sign up to the Patreon for $10 a month. That's also an option people like to use. But MEXC is a great exchange for trading. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.